Welcome to our channel. Thank you for stopping by. On this channel, we learn to earn more money. Making money on social media is exciting and fun. So, come on board and start making money on your mobile. Welcome to our new video tips. Let's get started. How can I make money on Snapchat? How to earn money with Snapchat. Are you looking to make money with Snapchat? You can learn how to earn money with Snapchat by mastering the skills and having the right mindset. In the last 10 years, it has become easier to make money online using your phone. This video will provide a concise and clear summary of how to make money with Snapchat. Social networking is becoming an increasingly important way to earn money and do business. Snapchat is one of the social networks that is growing the fastest, as well as TikTok. It is no longer just a way to talk to your friends, it's also a way to connect with new people. Millions of people every day. With Snapchat ads, you can make money and grow your business. People who use Snapchat can make money from ads for the first time. Snapchat is now used by businesses of all sizes to connect with their customers. Similarly, using Snapchat to build your online brand and make money has a lot of benefits. You can promote your business using Snapchat, whether it's a service or online store. No matter how big or small your online store is, you'll be able to promote it and link it to your growing audience. Right now, everyone is talking about Snapchat. Besides, e-commerce is getting more and more popular as the number of apps that sell things grows. So, go on and create an account on Snapchat if you don't already have one. You won't be able to reach out to potential customers if you don't have a Snapchat account. Remember, you need to master how to use Snapchat and be consistent. That is all you need to earn money with Snapchat. 3 ways to earn money on Snapchat. 1. Telling stories. When you tell a story on Snapchat, you help your mind work. 2. Augmented reality. You can show off your creativity by blending snaps and filters to make unique photos and videos. 3. Snap Kits. With Snapchat's Creative Kit, users can share content on social media and make money from it in different ways. Thanks to this feature, users can say things in new ways no matter where they are. In all, understanding how digital marketing works will expedite your earning. But, what is the best way to make money on Snapchat? What type of content should I create to make money on Snapchat? Scroll down and click on the link to read the full blog. Thank you for watching this video. Read the full article on our blog. You will find the URL under this video. Also, like and share this video and leave your comments in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Keep practicing what you learn and read more related articles on our blog. See you in our next video. Instagram, @earnsmore_money, Facebook, @earnsmore, Twitter, @earnsmoremoney, follow us on social media.